The pectinate is in the inner wall of the right atrium. It's the parallel ridges in the walls of the atria. The myocardium of the left and right ventricles is the thickest section of the heart wall. The myocardium of the left ventricle is 3 times thicker than the right because the left ventricle must create a lot of pressure to pump blood into the aorta and throughout the systemic circulation. The trabeculae carneae is on the inner surface of the ventricles. It's the meaty ridges. It's the rounded or regular muscular columns. The interventricular septum is the stout wall separating the lower chambers of the ventricles of the heart from one another. The bicuspid, or the mitral valve, is the dual flap in the heart that lies between the left atrium and the left ventricle. The tricuspid forms the boundary between the right ventricle and the right atrium. The chordae tendineae is the tendinous strings or cord-like tendons that connect the papillary muscles to the tricuspid valve and mitral valve. The cusps of the valve are the heart valves that are situated around the fibrous rings of the cardiac skeleton. It incorporates cusps which are pushed open to allow blood flow and close to prevent backflow. The papillary muscle is located in the ventricles. It attaches to the cusps of the mitral and tricuspid valves and contract to prevent inversion or prolapse of the valve. The pulmonary semilunar valve is the valve between the right ventricle and pulmonary artery. It has cusps shaped like half moons, and it prevents blood from flowing back into the heart. And the aortic semilunar valve is the valve between the left ventricle and the aorta. It's half moon cusps to control blood flow.